Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for coming. Oh, let me take my AirPod out. 1 second. You forget those things are in your ears sometimes, am I right? So in this vlog, you're gonna see us do some preparation, pick up some supplies. You're gonna see us go take the drive out. You'll see our puppy come home for the first time. Step 1, we're going to hit up PetSmart and pick up some of the essential things that we need for our pup, our little son. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you for even taking the time to click on our video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, without further ado, let's get into this puppy vlog. So that went really well. I'm so excited. Me and my boyfriend are so excited to go pick up our puppy tomorrow. I just can't stop smiling. Oh my God. I'm the happiest man in the world right now. I'm really living my dream life. I'm so excited. Wait, do I cover it? Okay, time for the haul. Water and food bowl. One of those food bowls that has like this stuff or whatever so they don't eat too fast or like whatever. Cute collar. Can't wait to see how this looks on my baby. Poop bags because we're responsible dog owners. Gentle shampoo. It's in the scent oatmeal and mild powder scent. Yummy. Harness for when he gets a little bigger for his walk. This cute brush, all-in-one grooming glove. Pretty cute, it's like a dog paw. Aw. Put your hand in it and brush away. Little tiny treats. Advanced stain and odor remover. Hope it does not pee all over the place, especially not on our cute carpet in our living room. Puppy potty training spray. No Chew Extreme Bitter Spray. We got 2 packs of puppy pads. And that concludes the haul part of the video. We're off. Wait, let me try that again. Jordan and I are off to go pick up our puppy. As you can see, it's still dark outside, so it's super early. All right, see you guys in a bit.
He's the same size as Scout. I was gonna try and take a nap before I had to go to work.
Because he farts too. Max's first game of tug of war with his dad. I want to teach him his name. I want to teach him no, of course. He's already done a pretty good job with no.
He's in play mode.
That's my chunky man. That's my chunky man. Good morning, guys. We've had Max for about a week now, and we're heading to his first vet appointment because when we bought him, he didn't have any of his shots or anything, so we have to be the ones to do that. Max is a little more trained now. He's kind of potty trained for the most part. He still whines a lot when he's in his crate, which is very, very, very annoying. but everything's a work in progress. Okay, and then when we got him from Coles County, there's nail here. Kinda chaotic in here, but okay. Your first vet appointment, Max. So how'd it go, babe?
It went really well. Max was like on his best behavior.
Yeah, he was on his best behavior. He's pretty well behaved sometimes, and then some other times he's less well behaved. But I think overall he's a pretty well behaved puppy, just with some things to learn. Maxie, Max, you're outside. Maxie, you look like mommy, baby. Max's first walk.
Are you kidding me?
Stormy? You look like mommy, baby.
So, like I said, we've had little baby Max, Maximilian, my heart and joy. We've had him for about a little over a week. So let me just give you guys a little update on some of the things I've taught him. None of his training is complete by any means, but he's kind of picking up on some things. So let me just give you guys an example. Maximilian, good boy, good boy. Sit. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy. Max. Bed. Good boy. Little baby Maximilian. Huh, baby? Are you excited, babe, for his play date?
Yes, I am. I'm excited to see how he reacts to another dog.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
No,
Max.
hair is standing up. I'm taking off.
Wait, like, hold on. They'll be best friends in no time. This is the first dog he ever met. That's not like his sibling or parent. I don't think he...
She's just gonna make him dizzy until he passes out.
Strategy. He's so self-sufficient. Like, he scratches his own spot and makes his own leg wag. I've been looking such a mess in this vlog, but whatever, it is what it is. I've been very busy being a mother. But anyways, so basically we had a bit of a crisis. Max ended up developing some type of growth, some type of, what's the word that the vet called it? She called it an abscess, I believe. He ended up developing some type of abscess on the right side of his neck. I've been absolutely worried sick. So today, first thing in the morning, I went and got the number to an urgent care vet, called them as soon as they opened, let them know I'm worried sick about my puppy and wondering what's going on with him, basically. Bed. We were able to schedule an appointment for today. Then we head out to the vet, and it turns out that Max had some sort of reaction to his first round of shots. Like the standard first round of shots that puppies are supposed to get, Max had some type of reaction to that. And that's why he had that big abscess on his neck, and it got very big, and he was scratching sometime, and I think it kind of aggravated it and made it grow even bigger. So the nurses drained it. So it's a little smaller now, but as you can see where they shaved him and drained it right there. And basically they gave us an ice pack. They instructed us to ice the spot 2 to 4 times a day for about 5 minutes. I iced it for a bit today, 1 time. So I'll ice it a couple more times throughout the day. They also gave us some medicine for him. And I'm going to feed that to him with his food. And that's supposed to help with the inflammation as well as like a painkiller, I believe. And I decided not to post the abscess when it was at its height and when it was very large, just because it was very unsightly and I didn't want to embarrass my baby like that. Oh yeah, and I meant to say I was so happy and thankful that they were able to get us in the same day that I called. We are on the way to PetSmart, and it'll be little Maxie's first time at PetSmart, as well as his first time being professionally groomed. And it was really cute, you guys, because I downloaded the PetSmart app and I had to make Max like his own profile, giving like a description of him, his age, his birthday, put a little cute picture of him. And it was just really cute because it was like my first time doing that. And we signed Max up for the puppy bath and brush, which includes some things like
He's getting an oxygen-infused bath, blow-dried, and he's also getting up to 15 minutes brushing, which I'm excited for. I think he'll like that. And he's also getting his dirty ears cleaned, because I feel like they catch dirt pretty well since they stick straight up.
Yeah, he's got bunny ears for sure. He will also be getting a nail trim, and I believe it'll include some kind of cleaning of his anal gland. So that should be nice.
Hello.
Hi.
Is this Max?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll be right there. I'll take him to you.
Oh, your ears are standing up already.
Max.
All right, so everything was answered online.
Okay, you're going down.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. I'll give you a call.
Thank you so much.
Come on,
Thank
Max.
you.
Bye, Max.
Come on, buddy.
Bye, Max.
Oh,
See
can
you
you
later.
give treats while he's here?
Yeah, he got treats. Thank you. Hi.
We here for Matt.
Yes, we are.
I didn't do him, but he did not like any of it. Not the bath, not the dryer, not the nails, any of it. He was
Oh,
not
no.
about it. And I will go get him ready for you if you guys wanted to go check out.
Okay.
Sometimes it's easy to do that
Thank
way.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no.
Like he was okay with the dryer, and then he wasn't. Like he was all like on attack mode. Like
That was his first time.
Oh,
yeah, no, he did for his
have a
first
happy-
time. He did pretty well. So
Okay.
have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
bye, Max.
Did you miss us, Maxie? Yeah.